Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the Franklin Templeton Retirement Tool. The Franklin Templeton Retirement Tool offers a comprehensive approach to retirement planning. I've been using it, and this video breaks down its key features, who it's best suited for, and my overall impressions. This tool is designed for individuals who are committed to developing a well-rounded and diversified retirement plan. Franklin Templeton, a recognized leader in asset management, provides a tool that goes beyond simple calculations by incorporating advanced planning capabilities and customized investment advice. A key strength of this tool is its ability to simulate various retirement scenarios. Users can input their specific financial information, including current assets, income, projected expenses, and savings targets, to generate a clear understanding of their retirement readiness. This feature is particularly beneficial for those nearing retirement who want to refine their plans and assess the long-term consequences of their financial choices. For investors focused on diversification, the Franklin Templeton tool offers in-depth analysis of asset allocation, providing recommendations based on individual risk tolerance and time horizon until retirement. This is especially valuable for those seeking a balanced portfolio to mitigate market fluctuations while striving for consistent growth. Another valuable aspect is the wealth of educational resources integrated within the tool. Franklin Templeton provides a comprehensive library of materials to guide users through the fundamentals of retirement planning, covering topics ranging from Social Security strategies to tax-optimized withdrawal plans. This educational component makes the tool an excellent choice for individuals who prefer an active role in managing their financial future. The user interface is designed for clarity, intuitiveness, and ease of navigation. This is essential for users who may not be technologically proficient but still desire access to a sophisticated planning resource. In summary, the Franklin Templeton Retirement Tool is ideal for those who appreciate professional-level investment insights combined with user-friendliness. It's also a great fit for individuals seeking a proactive approach to financial planning, offering a blend of automated features and personalized input to develop a customized retirement strategy. If you're searching for a tool that integrates detailed financial modeling with expert guidance, the Franklin Templeton Retirement Tool is definitely worth exploring. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details and to determine if this tool aligns with your retirement objectives.